Is your client a citizen or no?
No, not a citizen, Judge.
No.
No.
Okay. All right. So here's the thing. We have an interpreter. So you're going to have to speak through the interpreter. If you rather to just speak to me in English, we can do that as well. So what do you prefer?
Interpreter.
All right. Thank you. All right. Court is calling 2023 CR 4327. State of Texas versus Uvaldo Salas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Ruben Flores for Mr. Salas.
All right. Are you Mr. Salas Escobedo?
See.
Yes.
All right. We have an interpreter here. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
All right. You can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Maria Rivas.
Okay. All right, Mr. Escobedo, all of the documents that we're going to be discussing are in English. Were those reviewed with you in Spanish?
¿En español?
Sí.
Yes.
And did you understand them?
Sí.
Yes.
Defense, do you speak Spanish?
Healing, Judge.
All right. I know the answer to that, but I have to ask for the record. All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Did you?
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Escobedo, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Oh, we are good.
Mr. Escobedo, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession less than a gram, penalty group 1? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Right here, this may feel routine, but it's actually critical when an interpreter is sworn, and it protects the entire case from being overturned later if a defendant doesn't fully understand the proceedings. The plea can collapse on appeal. This is the court locking in fairness and finality question for you. Would you feel comfortable pleading guilty through an interpreter?
Do you understand?
Yes.
Sí.
Yes.
If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Sí.
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand? I'm sorry, just one moment. All right. Sorry, I had to answer an email. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pause on that charge. Less than 1 gram doesn't sound serious, but in Texas this is still a felony. That means real jail time, real consequences, and a permanent record. This is where people underestimate the system and pay for it later.
Mr. Salas Escobedo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
No.
Counsel, did you advise your client of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty in the application of federal immigration law?
I did, Your Honor, and for the record, speaking with him, he waived his right to a deportation hearing. He's already signed a voluntary deportation and he's expecting to report his back.
All right. So did your advice to him include possible consequences as deportation, denial from naturalization, exclusion from the United States?
Yes, Your
And do you believe that he understands the immigration consequences as it relates to entering a plea into this case? Mr. Salas Escobedo, did your attorney advise you of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty and the application of federal?
This is the moment everything changes. A guilty plea doesn't just affect criminal court, it can trigger deportation, permanent bans, and loss of any path to citizenship. Judges are extremely careful here because one missed warning can undo the entire conviction. Do you think defendants truly grasp how high these stakes are?
Or immigration law?
Yes.
Did that advice include possible consequences such as deportation, the denial of naturalization, and exclusion from the United States?
Sí.
Yes.
And do you understand the consequences of entering a plea in this case as it relates to your immigration status?
Sí.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney and did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 160 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Sí.
Yes.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
¿Entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
None, Your Honor.
Right. Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Pablo.
Guilty.
State any evidence?
State offer states Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Objection.
Thank you. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Sí.
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
And just like that, it's over. No jury, no witnesses, no dramatic cross-examination. This is how plea bargains really end, quietly, efficiently, and permanently. Over 90% of criminal cases end this way. Would you take certainty or gamble on a trial?
Right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments in each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, but ask to waive PSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask you follow the plea bargain here.
All right. And the cause number ending in 2528, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 2529. Taking consideration 2023 CR 2621, 2527, 699, 185, and 184. There's to be restitution, if any, to Isaac Cervantes, Cameron Carroll, Kyle Sutherland, and Stephanie LaFavre, and also no contact with any of those parties. And then in cause number ending in 2529, court is finding you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, credit for any time served, concurrent with 2023 CR 2528, taking consideration 2023 CR 2621, 2527, County Court Cause number 699185184, no contact, and restitution to the following.
Now notice the tonal shift. We've moved from drug possession to aggravated robbery, a first-degree felony that has 5 to 99 years on the table. Same courtroom, same process, radically different consequences. This is where courtroom procedure meets real-life gravity.
Isaac Cervantes, Cameron Carroll, Kyle Sutherland, and Stephanie LaFreyre. I'm pronouncing that name all sorts of ways. I apologize to Stephanie. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're off the record. How old are you?
17.
You're 17 and you're doing this foolishness. Things, if you want things, you got to get a job so you can have things. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
For a 17-year-old, you've chosen a hard road for yourself because you're going to prison, 17. And you're going to be in prison with a bunch of people who are there for murders and other things. When you go to prison, don't become institutionalized. You're 17. You still have a chance to make something out of yourself and do better in your life. So keep your head down and do your time and try to improve yourself. You can even take college classes while you're at the prison. And if you dropped out of school and don't have your high school diploma, you can get your high school diploma while you're there. So don't come out of prison having just wasted time, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Maurer.
This is no longer legal, it's personal. Off the record, the judge drops the gavel and speaks as a human being. A 17-year-old headed to adult prison. It's rarer and uncomfortable, and it reminds us that behind every case file is a life permanently altered. Do moments like this change anything, or is it already too late?